Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone here is doing well. In this week's video, I'm at a place where I'm really excited to be, a place called Hartlen Point, which is outside Halifax. Now, I've heard a lot about this place. If you go on eBird, it's actually one of the best, if not the best hotspots in the province. Now, that's probably because it's close to Halifax, so it does get a lot of birders, but the variety of species here, according to the eBird data, is just phenomenal. So I've been wanting to come here for a long time. So today's the day. I decided to drive up from the valley into Halifax to go for an early morning birding session. Hopefully see some lifers, some shorebirds. Let's go. I am close to the ocean. We're right on the ocean. Lens cap every time. Just want to show you what I'm looking at here. That looks really pretty with the grass in front and the lighthouse in the back. There's like a giant osprey nest or an eagle's nest or something up there. Beautiful weather this morning here in Eastern Passage, Nova Scotia. These shrubs are really good for songbirds, small birds, because they can land right at the top and I can still see them at eye level. Pair of finches there. Some mourning dove. And there is the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. See, there's clearly a trail that people walk, even though they're not supposed to be in here. It's getting pretty thick though. Jeez. Oh, I did not think it was going to be this wet. My feet are soaked. Boo. I'm trying to get to the beach, or to these rocks at least, out of the shrubby land. Oh. Well, I made it. My legs are a bit cut up and my feet are soaked. That was not fun. But now we're here. There's a blue heron right here. He looks beautiful with the water. There he goes. Panorama. cormorant. It's another heron. Well, that was an adventure. I came from this way and I sort of got cliffed out, so I had to walk this whole coast down from where I started down to where I am now. So now it's time to figure out how to get back. Let's go. I think that was a harlequin duck. I've only ever seen those once. There's some more birders, I think. Yeah. This is where I was supposed to be. I don't know what that is. I think it's a juvenile or a young bird of some type. Ah. I don't know what that is. Could be a lifer. Maybe. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's something different. There's something small next to it too. Cool. There's a northern flicker right here. Huh. It's a type of woodpecker. Not known to be on the beach. It's a sparrow. I think that's the same one as before. This little habitat area is perfect for small shorebirds. They have the grass to hide in and the water access, the mud. I think that's a least sandpiper. Some ducks. There's a bunch of birds out on the point here. Cormorants, I think. It's a panorama. So those guys were all standing here, the 4 guys that had cameras, and now I don't know where they went. So hopefully that means there's an easier way to get back. Wow. Little yellowthroat. Oh, cool. A hummingbird just landed on top of that tree. Okay, that's a sparrow. That's a least sandpiper hiding. That's a goldfinch. Don't normally see them on the beach like that either. Oh, whoa, that's actually a cool shot of him flying. I didn't mean to do that. I mean, years of experience leads you to get these shots. There's another birder. Okay, I gotta figure out how these people are getting in and out of here. What is that? I don't know. Is that a female northern flicker? Okay, no, those are starlings. They just look different than usual. Some sort of hawk. And just landed in that tree. Huh. Gotta do some exposure compensation. Is that a peregrine falcon? It might be. So he was sitting in here the whole time, because I've been standing here for like 40 minutes. Well, I'm back in the car. It's been a long morning. It's like almost 10 o'clock, so I've been going for 3.5 hours or so. But the best part about today, I mean, I got some lifers, some good birds. I'm really happy with some of the photos. I got to get back home and check on what they are, but I think I got some lifers. The falcon that I thought was a falcon, it's actually a Merlin. I looked it up and I've decided that I think it's a Merlin that we saw down at the beach. That was really cool, but the important part of today was I actually met up with someone who I recognized from social media. They're like an eBird celebrity here in Nova Scotia, one of the top birders in the province, and she explained to me how to get down there so you don't cut up your legs like I did. My legs are insane. Check this out. But yeah, she was also super nice, and she took me around Hartlen Point golf course. See, I wouldn't have had the confidence to walk on a golf course without actually being a golfer, but you're allowed to do that if you're sort of a serious birder and you keep to the side. So she explained to me the rules like that and showed me some local spots within the area. So I'll definitely be back probably in a few weeks, months, mid-October or so. We're approaching the end of August now, so the warblers haven't come back yet, but the spring is, oh my God, I can't even wait for the spring next year. Let's go. So I'm definitely coming here in the spring for warbler migration. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up down below, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any more videos. I'm in the midst of working on my California series right now, so if you've seen any of those, thanks for watching. And of course, stay safe, get outside, and thanks for watching this one. Take care.